A gentle kiss, a subtle twist, and she became everything to me. My favorite smile, we sat a while, and it became clear for all to see. For under these street lights, on an October clear night, she paints the sky. The stars grew dim, she let me in. A ghostly town became so alive. The look of love sent from above, a touch that I was so long deprived of. But under these street lights, on an October clear night, she paints the sky. A kick in her hair, truth meanders the air. Her sun-washed over eyes, lips like a red velvet sky. For under these street lights, on an October clear night, she paints the sky. She paints the sky. She paints the sky.